recent times, the discovery of an object near the Andromeda galaxy has caused a stir among astronomers worldwide. While studying the Andromeda galaxy, astronomers have come across a gas cloud that is just as vast in size. After conducting a detailed analysis, they have concluded that the gas cloud is, in fact, an oxygen cloud. This may not sound significant, but in our long history of space exploration, we have only managed to identify 2 places where traces of oxygen have been discovered, only about 2% of it. The reason for this is that in space, oxygen generally combines with dust and hydrogen molecules to form water molecules, which then freeze. As a result, there is a scarcity of oxygen molecules in space. However, in this region of space, astronomers have stumbled upon an entire cloud of oxygen molecules, a groundbreaking discovery. This discovery was first made in 2018 by astronomers Xavier Strautner, Marcel Drexler, and Jan Saint, who were investigating planetary nebulae and supernova remnants. Their focus had initially been on studying nebulae, and they had managed to identify over 300 of them. However, their attention was soon drawn to Andromeda, a galaxy that had long been believed to be more massive than the Milky Way. As they turned their telescope to this fascinating object, they were eager to learn more about its true size and composition. To achieve their goal, the astronomers employed a technique known as the long exposure process. They selected a dark region beside Andromeda and began observing it with a range of narrowband filters, including the H-alpha, sulfur-2, and O3 filters. It was while using the O3 filter that they stumbled upon an unexpected sight, a full cloud of oxygen. This was a true anomaly, a cloud of oxygen that was much larger than any nebula they had previously encountered. The astronomers were shocked by their discovery and continued to observe the oxygen cloud with great interest. After many observations, they finally determined that it was indeed an oxygen cloud, and they made their findings public. And after this was made public, there was a full debate in the scientist community. They named this discovery erroneous, meaning an inaccurate discovery. After the entire scientific community rejected this, they went to the US government, but the government also rejected it without looking at the evidence. They said it was due to light pollution and that oxygen cannot be found in space. But later, this controversy ended as an independent astronomer, Bray Falls, looked into it and decided to know the truth. He started observing it using a Takahashi refractor, which collects 90% more light than a normal refractor. He also used a Cemo scanner to avoid any controversy of blue light. He took the picture using a blue light filter and an O3 filter. Then he superimposed this image, removing any extra blue spots. He presented this image in front of the scientific community. In this image, the blue part is oxygen molecules, and all the red part is hydrogen molecules. After this, the scientific community recognized this as an oxygen cloud. For now, the reason behind it is unknown. It could be due to a supernova remnant or an entirely different reason. It is a mystery, as space is a place full of mysteries.